Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can get tickets to French Open 2026. For that, launch your browser and simply type in get tickets to French Open. Then you will see Roland Garros 2026 tickets. Go ahead and click onto the link itself. Now, it might take a while for you to get to this page as there is a long queue. So it took me exactly 30 seconds to reach here. Once it has been done and once you get to this page, scroll all the way below. Now under prepare for your booking, expand before sales open. And likewise, select discover our offers ahead. Go for discover our offers. Now as you do that, you will see day tickets, premium offers, or multi-day pass. So go ahead and select whatever you would prefer, for example, day tickets. Then select discover for one of the games. And likewise, select book now at your right hand side. And then go on and go about booking your tickets. This is how it's done. Thank you for watching.